great water and money-saving investment for homeowners with yards of all sizes is SYNLawn artificial grass. Made in the USA from renewable resources, SYNLawn artificial grass is 100% recyclable, looks great, and conserves water year-round. SYNLawn artificial grass can help homeowners maximize their home investment by transforming unused areas into functional living spaces, enhancing quality of life and the home's value. Best of all, SYNLawn is low maintenance and can turn hard-to-grow areas into beautiful, eco-friendly landscapes that look great and save money. Following these steps to install your SYNLawn artificial grass will give you a beautiful, green, and worry-free lawn for years to come. Before installing SYNLawn, you will need the proper tools for the job. A list of tools can be found on the back of the SYNLawn product brochure, located within the SYNLawn display at Lowe's or online at lowes.com, keyword SYNLawn. Most outdoor applications require preparation of an aggregate base to allow proper water drainage. Simply clear the surface where your SYNLawn will be placed, removing any unwanted grass and roots. Once clear, add a 2 to 4 inch layer of crushed aggregate until achieving the desired shape and contour. Work the aggregate with a rake and hand tap until the surface is compact and smooth. With a base ready, position your SYNLawn and trim to shape. If using more than one roll of SYNLawn, make sure the grain of the grass fibers point in the same direction. To seam SYNLawn together, align 2 pieces of SYNLawn edge to edge. Fold the edges to lay SYNLawn seaming cloth the length of the seam. Secure the seaming cloth in place. Apply seaming adhesive to the cloth, spreading to a consistent thickness. After a few minutes, slowly ease the 2 edges back together, checking the fit as you go. To secure your SYNLawn, use 5 to 6 inch galvanized nails or landscape anchor pins around the perimeter and where necessary to keep your SYNLawn flat. Finally, use a landscape rake or broom to brush the fibers up and rinse with a garden hose. Periodic brushing and rinsing will keep your SYNLawn looking fresh, natural, and beautiful for years to come. Easy to install and maintain, customize SYNLawn to fit your lifestyle. Create beautiful landscapes, clean pet zones and play areas for the kids. Convert unused areas into fun entertainment areas. Design your backyard Shangri-La. Earth-friendly, water-friendly, pet-friendly. SYNLawn. Artificial grass never looked more natural.